In a joining program at Maharani VC under Halahali-Asharambari TTAADC Constituency, 37 voters from 13 families joined the TIPRA Motha party. The newcomers were welcomed by MDC Prasmit Debbarma.
TIPRA Motha long live! Long live! Long live! TIPRA Motha long live! Long live! Long live! Ubagra long live! Long live! Long live! BJP yakare TIPRA Motha panorama khaba khuba lamshogo.
Speaking at the joining event, MDC Prasmit Debbarma stated that public trust has firmly shifted toward Bubagra due to his dedicated welfare work. He criticized the ruling party, asserting that the BJP has failed to listen to the grievances or address the genuine needs of the people.
Tini Maharani VC ni Machang Kamiwo, Tini Kaisha Lamsongman Panda, O Pandawo, Tero family ni 37 Butar. Chini TIPRA Motha Tansani Banawo, Borok Hairum Paika, Singborno, TIPRA Mothani Ungui, Te Tansani Marini Ungui, Singborno Lamsuko, Bele Hambai, Donozotono, TIPRA Motha family, Bagui, Boroni, Monoje, Tanaya Borno, BZPO Pagagai, Lama Clarinai, Kalbal Clarinai, Onekishu Amahake Protishuti Way, Bono BZP of Himloka, Metabok election for Borok Saimakaze, or BZP of Borno Banimani, Avon Bagay. BJP ni parti na bora hamjaglia BJP parti no yakaroi sinitini TIPRA Motha ni bora bana phairom phaikya amboge singborno belai lamsogo boroni khoktisun kok sai mono saima kaje BJP hai party khai bora kuno mante soktai manani nuhuya abon bagai tini paithago chini habubagra ni yagrom phaikya borok amboge singborno haino hai teisa lamsogo.
Pure report, Chini Khorang.